In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a task in Jira. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Jira is a popular tool for project management, and creating tasks is a fundamental part of using it effectively. So let's dive right in. To get started, the first step is to log into your Jira account. This may seem simple, but it's the essential foundation before you can create any tasks. Open your web browser and head over to the Jira login page. Enter your credentials and click Login. Once you're signed in, you'll be directed to your dashboard where all your projects will be displayed. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to click on the Create button, usually located on the main toolbar at the top of the page. This button is your gateway to initiating new tasks, stories, or any other issues you want to track in Jira. Clicking on it will open a new window where you can input all the details for your task. In the new task creation window, the third step is to select your project. Jira allows you to manage multiple projects simultaneously, so it's crucial to choose the correct one for the task you're about to create. You'll see a drop-down menu where you can select the appropriate project from the list. Make sure you select the right one, as this will determine where your task resides. After selecting your project, the next thing you need to do is set the task type. Depending on what you need to create, you'll want to select Task from the options presented. This is step 5. The task type essentially defines the nature of the work that needs to be done. Once you've chosen Task, step 6 is to type in a brief description of the task. This should summarize what needs to be accomplished. For example, if you're assigning a task to develop a specific feature, you might write something like, "Develop the user login feature." Keep it clear and concise, as this will help others understand the task quicker. Step 7 allows you to add a description in more detail or even instructions by clicking on Add a Description or type /4 actions. This is your opportunity to expand on the task, detailing what needs to be done or specifying any relevant points that might help the assignee. Use bullet points or numbered lists if necessary to make things easier to understand. The next step is to click on Show More. This will expand the options available to you, allowing you to customize the task further. Jira is quite versatile, and this customization is crucial for tailoring tasks to fit your workflow. Speaking of customization, step 9 is where you can add additional fields like labels, priority levels, and due dates. These fields help in organizing and prioritizing your tasks more effectively. Don't skip this part. It can make a big difference in how the team views and prioritizes tasks. Finally, after you've filled out all the necessary information, it's time to click on the Create button. This is step 11, and it's the moment you solidify your efforts into a new task in your chosen project. Once you click this, your task will be created, and you'll receive a confirmation message. As a final note, step 12 is to confirm that your task has been created successfully. Navigate back to your project dashboard, and you should see the newly created task listed, often with a unique task identifier like PRJCT14. This identifier will make it easy to reference this task in future discussions or updates. And that's it. You've successfully created a task in Jira. As you work on more tasks, remember that mastering this tool can significantly enhance your project management capabilities. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Happy Jira tasking!